So I'm making a real quick video about Domino's pizza. I'm a big pizza lover and I haven't used Domino's for a while, and now I remember why. Okay, this is the receipt. I just paid for it uh, 2 minutes ago. I gone for a carry out. This is the pizza I got. Okay, very simple. Carry out pizza. Ask for plates. No, they don't give you plates. We're in Los Angeles, California, in Granada Hills. No plates. I asked for Parmesan. They're not going to give you any Parmesan. They're asking actually for $1 extra to give you a small container of Parmesan. They don't carry the small packages like Papa Joe's or Pizza Hut or any other place that you can order pizza from. In addition, when you go and you actually pay for whatever you already got, first thing that they ask you on the machine is if you want to give them a tip. For carry-out pizza that I got to carry out for myself that I order online, none of them was working. The machine actually asked them what to give. It told them what to not. They didn't ask. Tell them what to give after I put all the information. And they made a pizza. When you go to the shop, they're rude enough to actually ask you for a tip, and this is the first question that you're going to get on the machine when you go and sign over there. This is kind of, I think, outrageous. The entire thing with the tips, everybody want to get tips even though nobody did kind of any job beside of the cook, and they ask you to pay extra for Parmesan, basic thing that you're supposed to give with a pizza. Okay, let's forget about the Parmesan, but the fact that people going to get pizza for work and it's a carry out, they're not even going to give you plates. So what next, California? We don't get plates, we don't get straws, we don't get anything. And now it's a new thing that when you go to a company, they're trying to reestablish their name because they were shit, and now they're trying to make it better, and I try to give them another chance, and I go and I see this is a big mistake. Just wanted to talk about it for a second. I usually don't do stuff like that, but I got really pissed off right now. To try to give a local business, they're like three stores away from me, try to give them business, and this is what I got back. This is ridiculous. Thank you for watching. I hope I did not waste your time. Order from anybody else. Don't give those people any business.